welcome back to another unboxing. Wow, I actually realized I didn't do one of these in a really long time. But today we have a box. And why did I drop it? We have a box, and as you can see, I did an excellent job of covering my address. Did I? Yeah, it looks like a modern art, But whatever, that's besides the point. Where's my hobby knife? Where is it? Yeah, today we're gonna unbox this package. I found it. No, I don't remember when I even ordered this, because some of these models are backlogged, so I don't even remember which order was it. But it's like gonna be like a surprise box today. So it seems like we have actually two models. Wait, what's one of these? I already have like one of them. Oh, it's and someone's calling me. Okay, I'm back from my call, and yeah, so this is the Tupolev. So this is the Tupolev TU134B. So it's not the Aeroflot variant. As you can see, the Aeroflot variant. Yeah, it has a glass sole nose. But this one, instead of that, it has a radar thing at the nose. And the other model that we have here is the China Airlines Boeing 7637-300. So I'm gonna open this one first, because this is actually gonna be my first 737-600 model. And I'm gonna get this box out of here. And wow, this is actually a very small and interesting little model. Why did I get these models? I am gonna be doing a small little Pyongyang airport. Now I actually already built the airport. It is the new Lehigh Valley airport, and I'm just gonna use it as a one-off update. Maybe sometimes I'll do it. Now here it is, compared to the TU134. They're pretty identical aircrafts. TU134 just has a longer wingspan. But yeah, let's get that out of the way, and let's open the second new model, which is the Air Koryo Tupolev TU134. Now the boxes on these are identical, like the Aeroflot one you can see behind there. But the only distinction you have is this little image here. Yeah, ooh, that's pretty cool. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't have the registration. Oh, the registration is right here. Wow, that's actually pretty interesting little aircraft here. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. Yeah, this is my second Air Koryo model. Well, right now I'm just gonna give you a little close-up of each aircraft. As you can see, the Air Koryo Tupolev 134 is in regular. This is actually the older Air Koryo livery, and I do like this one. Because it's actually pretty similar to the Aeroflot one, as we can see right here. You have the flag on the back of the aircraft, and then you have the titles, and then you have the stripe on the windows. Now the only difference here is, of course, the nose. This one has a radome, and this one doesn't. This one, I think this one has the navigational, like for where the navigator would sit. But anyways, here is the Air China 737-600. It's a pretty little cool little aircraft. Now here we have some new models that I got for both Lviv and Donetsk airport. Now I got these two at the airplane shop at New Jersey. Now I wouldn't normally buy models from there because they're really overpriced, but this one especially was a really good deal. I got this one for $40, and on eBay I searched, it was around like 50 or 55, so this was a really good deal. This was almost the price that it would originally retail back in, when was this released? Yeah, 2017. Now this one is a fairly new model, but I decided to get it because it was the last one, and it was just a couple dollars more expensive, like $3 more expensive than on eBay. Well, alrighty everybody, I just wanted to do this quick little unboxing video. Now I might be having another box come in tomorrow or in this week. Now it says that it should come tomorrow, but I just wanted to open this box because I ordered this all the way back in the summer, and it's been at least 3 months. So yeah, so I'm finally happy that this order arrived. Well, these two aircraft. And yeah, I hope you did enjoy this quick little video, and of course, fly safe.